Thank you. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Mr. Rafa Online Tuitions. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, like the videos, share the videos as well. So in this session, we're going to look at Mathematics Paper 1 2018. Mathematics Paper 1 2018, past paper. We'll make sure that we answer all the questions. All the questions. 2018, paper 1. We have question 1. Simplify 4 open bracket x plus 2y minus open bracket 3x minus 8y close bracket. So the first thing you need to break the brackets. You break the brackets by multiplying the outside quantity with the inside quantities. So there you say 4 times x, again 4 times 2y. So in this case we say 4 times x, that is 4x, 4 times positive 2y, that is positive 8y. We also break the brackets. Remember, here there is 1. Is 1. So you say negative 1 times 3x. We have negative 3x. Negative 1 times negative 8y. So negative times negative, that is positive. So we are going to have positive 8y. So from there, we are going to correct the like terms. So the like terms are those terms with same letters and same powers. So in this case, 4x and 3x, they are like terms. Positive 8y and 8y, they are like terms. So we are going to say 4x minus 3x. So let me emphasize on this sign. Let me start with 4x. 4x, it is a positive number. So positive, it's a positive number. This 8y is the owner of this positive. This 3x is the owner of this negative. So this 8y is the owner of this positive. So wherever 3x will go, negative will go, because it is not crossing the equal sign, so the sign will not change. So hence we have negative 3x plus 8y plus 8y. So 4x minus 3x, we have x. 8y plus 8y, we have 16y. So the final answer is x plus 16y. So that is our final answer. So you have 2 marks. You have 2 marks. So question 2. Evaluate 27 to the power 2 over 3. So we have the negative index. We have the negative index. So if we have the negative index, remember, you can have a to the power n over m. So this numerator, it is called the power. The denominator, it is called the root. So you create the root, which the root is m, you put m, so it becomes the mth root. Then you have the power, which is n. The base is a. So that's what we are going to do as well. So this is the power, this is the root. So we have the cube root. Our root is 3 and our power is 2. The base is 27. So we are going to find the number that we can multiply 3 times and gives us 27. Just one number, you multiply it 3 times, it gives you 27. So that number is 3. Okay, so 3 times 3, that is 9. 9 times 3, that is 27. So the number that you can multiply 3 times gives us 27. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, it is 27. So it is 3. So 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2. So 3 to the power 2, it does not mean 3 times 2. No, it means 3 times 3, which is 9. So the answer is 9. Now suppose we add this criteria 27 to the power negative 2 over 3. So we have the negative index. So remember, this is the power, this is the root. So the first thing that you have to do, you have to change this negative, you change it to positive. So how do you change it to positive? So if you are given the negative index, suppose you have a to the power negative m. So this is the same as negative changes to positive. So it's going to be 1 over a to the power m. So that's how it's going to be. So this negative is going to be 1 over 27 to the power 2 over 3. So the negative has disappeared. Why? It has changed to a positive, so which is 1. So remember that this is a power, this is a root, so it will be 1 over the cube root of 27 to the power 2. So in this case, we say 1 over the number that we multiply 3 times gives us 27. That is 3 to the power 2. So the answer is 1 over 9. Okay, so we move on to question 3. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. Rafa Online Tuitions. Mr. Rafa Online Tuitions. Mr. Rafa Online Tuitions. Subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Also, you can call us on the numbers on the screen. Wherever you are, we'll be there for you so that we can help you to become a good mathematician, or we can help you so that you can pass your exams. That's why we are here for you. So don't forget to call me. You can call me, then we make up a program. So question 3, a straight line passing through A 3,2 and B 5, y as a gradient -2. Find the value of y. So in this case, we've been given 2 pairs of coordinates. then gradient is given. So find y. So indirectly, they are telling you that use the formula for gradient to find y. Okay, so gradient is equal to the increase in y-axis divided by the increase in x-axis. So we have point A. So remember that a coordinate, it is x, comma, y. It is x, comma, y. So let this be x1, y1. Let this be x2, y2. So even this one can be x1, y1, x2, y2. It is just the same. So we have been given gradient as -2. So I will substitute. Where there is m, I'll substitute -2. So y1, it is 2 minus y2, it is y, over x1 is 3 minus x2, it is 5. So from there now, -2 is equal to 2 minus y over 3 minus 5. That is -2. Remember that you cannot subtract these two because they are not like terms. So from here, I'll cross multiply. So -2 times -2, that is +4, equals 1 times 2 minus y, it is 2 minus y. So we'll correct the like terms. 2, it will come this side. It was +2. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes -2. So 4 minus 2, remember that this negative, it is for y. So we are going to have -y. So 4 minus 2, it is 2, is equal to -y. So you divide, throw out with -1, -1, -1, negative goes. So you have y equals -1 into +2, that's -2. That's -2. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. Rafa Online Tuitions. And don't forget to call me. If you need any help, we are there for you to make sure that you pass your exams. Okay. So we have question 4. Question 4. Question 4, question 4, question 4, question 4. Factorize completely 5x squared minus 5. So you should understand the kinds of factorizations that we have. So we have what we call common factorization. We have factorization by grouping, difference of two square method, and quadratic factorization. So 5x squared minus 5. So this is difference of two square method. But the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to check the common factor. So the common factor. So in this case, 5 is a common factor. So we are going to fact out 5. So 5 will come out, then we'll open brackets, then we'll divide 5 into 5x squared. That is x squared. 5 into 5, that is 1. Okay, so remember that 1 it is a perfect square number. It's a perfect square number. So remember that this is a difference of two square method. So we have square number 1. So we need to have the second square. So we are going to find the square root of 1. So the square root of 1, it is 1. So it is going to be 1 squared. So 1 squared, which is 1. So from here, we will introduce difference of two square method. Remember the formula, you have a squared minus b squared. So difference of two square method, you introduce two pairs of brackets. So 1 plus 1 minus. So minus can be there, plus can be there, or plus can be here, minus here. There is no problem, just the same. So it's going to be a plus b, a minus b. So this is difference of two square method. So we are going to apply the same formula here. So we have 5. So we introduce square brackets, then two pairs of brackets. So here minus here plus. So we have x minus 1, x plus 1. That is the final answer. Final answer. Don't forget to put the square brackets if you have anything common there. If you have factored out, don't forget to introduce a square bracket. So x minus 1, x plus 1. So that is our final answer. Then we have question 5. We have question 5. Question 5 is on sets.